Hey there, interior design pros. Have you ever struggled to bring your 2D AutoCAD drawings to life in 3D? Well, today I'm going to show you how to master the art of converting those flat drawings into stunning 3D models. Let's get started. First up, we need to prepare your AutoCAD file. Clean up the 2D drawing by organizing layers and removing unnecessary elements like dimensions and annotations. Keep only the essentials: walls, doors, windows, and key structural elements. Assign different layers to specific elements for easier importing later on. Now it's time to choose your 3D modeling software. There are several great options out there. SketchUp is beginner-friendly, 3ds Max offers advanced rendering, Blender is free and powerful, Revit is BIM-based, and Rhino excels in precision modeling. Pick the one that suits your needs best. Let's dive into importing your AutoCAD file into your chosen 3D software. If you're using SketchUp, import your DWG or DXF file by going to File. Import. Make sure the scale is correct by checking the units in AutoCAD before importing. Use the push-pull tool to extrude walls and structures, creating floors and ceilings by extruding surfaces. Don't forget to add interior elements using SketchUp's 3D warehouse or by modeling custom pieces. For 3ds Max users, import your DWG DXF file by going to File. Import and selecting Layer Blocks as Node Hierarchy for better organization. Use the Extrude modifier to give walls height and apply Boolean operations for doors and windows. Enhance your model with materials and lighting, using V-Ray or Corona for realistic rendering. Blender fans enable the Import AutoCAD DXF add-on and adjust the scale as Blender uses meters by default. Select walls and use the Extrude tool to create 3D volumes. Use Boolean modifiers for openings and furnish your model using BlenderKit or Archipack. Render with Cycles or Eevee for impressive results. Once your 3D model is ready, it's time to refine and render. Add textures and materials to apply realistic finishes like wood, metal, and fabric. Use natural and artificial lighting to bring your design to life. Render your scene using V-Ray, Inkscape, or Cycles, depending on your software. Finally, export your model for presentation. Save it as an OBJ, FBX, or STL file for further editing, and generate high-quality renders to wow your clients. Before I wrap up, here are some bonus tips for efficiency. Use plugins like AutoCAD to Revit's wall recognition tools, or SketchUp's Fredo tools for advanced modeling. And if you're using Revit, link AutoCAD plans for smarter 3D conversion. To summarize, the workflow is simple. Prepare your AutoCAD file, import it into your chosen 3D software, extrude and model structures, add details, and finally, render your masterpiece. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to mastering interior design with AutoCAD. If you'd like more tips or specific techniques, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more design tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.